Hey guys, Nicole here. Welcome back to my channel. I am here with a long overdue video because this video I actually had planned. It was on my calendar for right when spring started, like the official first day of spring, and that did not happen because of course craziness broke out. But I wanted to take a break from these quarantine videos and actually do a video I had planned and on my calendar. And this is actually a fall series recap, a length check, and a challenge recap, because like I had a bunch of challenges and like many things going on all at the same time. So for those who are new or you are tuning in for the first time, I'm going to rewind to the beginning and I'm going to go back and update you on my current length, vitamins I'm taking, and things that I'm doing in my regimen as far as challenges for hair growth. So let's get right into the video. Okay, so first things first, if you are new, you probably don't know, but I have been doing the fall and winter hair care series, and that actually for me started back in August, September, and what that was is I did nothing but wash and goes all fall and winter, and I used very moisturizing products, so only very moisturizing leave-ins and creams, no gels, because I really do like gels, but they kind of dry my hair out. And so I wanted to see how healthy my hair would get during that time, you know, if it was a good thing to continue doing wash and goes in the fall and winter instead of doing protective styles and straightening my hair. And I will say I was surprised, like my hair had gotten so much softer, even like the texture and the feel of my hair feels so much better, and I found a lot of great products that I actually really love. So if you had not checked out that series, it's still a good series, especially for people who prefer creams instead of gels, but there's a whole lot of good information in that series, so I will link it up here somewhere or I'll put it down in the description box below. So overall, the fall and winter hair care series was actually beneficial because I saw a lot of health in my hair, and then along the way with that little experiment that I was doing, if you do not know, I love watching other naturals here on YouTube, and I love watching Bianca Renee from Bianca Renee Today, and she does a challenge every year. And so this year her challenge was like a combination of all of her challenges plus a new challenge, and I have done almost every challenge she's done, and so I decided to challenge myself to join her challenge. And her challenge is actually the hair growth challenge. Now I'm gonna go back a few years. Her first challenge was the no heat challenge, and I tried and miserably failed. Her next challenge was the deep conditioning challenge. The one after that was a big chop challenge, and then this year is the hair growth challenge. So with the hair growth challenge, she challenged us who wanted to do all of the challenges combined, which is what I'm doing. And so since August, I haven't been straightening my hair. I have not straightened my hair since August. It is now April, so I'm almost to the year mark as far as not straightening it for a year, but I'm gonna go all the way to next January if I can. But my goal was to not straighten my hair for a year anyways before her challenge, so I'm just pushing to get to August again, and we'll see how it goes. Her next challenge, like I said, was the deep conditioning challenge. I already deep condition twice a week, so I decided just to keep that going. The big chop, I do not want to big chop anymore, but if you're familiar with my channel or my videos, you saw that I did blow dry out my hair on like cool and then trim my ends and like get rid of like really long pieces that just weren't going with the flow. So I did do that. And then the hair growth challenge, which is the one I'm most excited about because it seems like all of her challenges are already something I'm doing, and so challenging myself and pushing myself along with others kind of just like solidifies it. So with her hair growth challenge, you are to drink water, which I have been doing, by the way. One second. So I have been trying to drink 4 or 5 of these a day, which is a struggle, but now that we're in the house, I have nothing else to do but drink water. The next part of the challenge is vitamins, which I still have been taking. I have actually been taking the Mael Gummy healthy hair vitamins, and these are vitamins that you take twice a day. I've been taking these actually since July, and so I figured this would help me also see if these are working, because I used to take the Curls Blissful Links liquid vitamin, and I got really good results with that, but it was hard to travel with, so I switched over to these last summer. And so in July it would have been a year of using these, and at the end of the video I'm going to do a recap of like the progression of growth from the time I had started these up until now, which actually the last link check that I did was in September, so I kind of missed a few months, but I will be showing that at the end. So I have also still been taking my vitamins. So the next part of the challenge is oils, and oils is something that I've actually used in the past, but I had stopped kind of introducing them because I found products that had really moisturizing ingredients, and it felt like there was oil on my hair inside of those products. But I actually started using this more in my wash and goes and doing the lock method or the LCO method. It just depends on what I'm doing that day. And this is the Aunt Jackie's coconut and sweet almond oil. I really like this oil. This is my favorite. I love coconut oil and I love almond oil. So this is one that I have been using a lot. So the next thing I have been doing is introducing oils into my deep conditioners. I used to do it a lot and I kind of slacked off. So I still have this Manuka honey and Mapura oil intensive hydration complexion that I add to the matching deep conditioner, but I also add it into other deep conditioners. It just really makes my hair feel really soft and moisturized. And then scalp treatment oils. Now I am so bad about remembering to use these, but it helps, especially this one when my head itches like crazy and I've been getting like really itchy scalp. So I have been introducing more of these oils here in this past month during quarantine. So the curls one I've had for a while, and I actually used to use it faithfully. It's like to here, but I kind of pushed this to the side when I got the Myel one, and this one's like a daily one, and I really forget to use this one, but this is the Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil, and it's infused with biotin and encourages growth. So I really want to use this one since it says it encourages growth. This one also encourages growth, but this one like tingles when I put it in, and it says it's for daily use, scalp treatment, and split ends, which I suffer from badly. I don't care what I do, I still experience split ends. So that is why I deep condition twice a week. So it is not too late to start that challenge or any other challenges or parts of the challenge. We're home, we might as well be taking care of our hair. It's what, April? You still have the rest of the year to do this challenge because it goes from January to December. I just like doing all of them because each year I have picked up a challenge and I try to just keep that into my regimen anyways. So from here on out, for like the rest of the year, I plan on continuing to do all of these things. I have actually been doing them, so I'm going to continue doing them and just see if I keep experiencing hair growth and keep you updated along the way, because I feel like if what I'm doing is helping me, then maybe it will help you in return. Another thing that Bianca Rede talked about is to have a link check shirt. I've had this shirt for years, ever since I did like the Curls Blissful Links hair growth challenge a few years back, and so I keep up with this shirt and I use it anytime I want to check the length of my shirt. And believe it or not, my hair has actually grown. So now to the moment we have all been waiting for. I am going to show you my current length. Okay guys, so I'm going to start with my September 2018 check-in. As you can see, it's a little past the 9, and I was still taking the Curls Liquid Vitamin at this point. And then here is October 2019. I had been taking the Myel Organics gummies for about 3 months at this point, and as you can see, I'm a little past the 10, so I definitely experienced some growth. And then here is just the side by side, so you can see that I definitely did experience some growth in that time frame. Here is my current length check, and this length check is actually 6 months after my last check-in from October. And I was having a hard time gripping my hair because it was really wet, but you can just see how my curls are kind of hanging differently. And I got it actually a little past the 12. I probably could have kept pulling, but it was really hard to hold it. And then here is just a picture of all of the check-ins. So yeah guys, that's all for this video. Let me know down below if you have done any of these challenges or you would like to do any of these challenges. I'll be keeping you all updated as far as my length and my growth, and I would love for you all to keep me updated on your growth as well. So add me on Instagram and you can send me pictures, ask me questions. I love interacting with people on Instagram. Also, if you're new, feel free to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you are notified anytime I post a new video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye guys.